So this could fit my face, however you're not supposed to be close to this, so I don't care if it's big or small because I don't place my face attached to this. You're not supposed to, so it's perfect fine. And I don't have the round pads, however I decided to put some of the big pads that I have left, and as you can see, it has an opening there. That's where you're supposed to put the pads, the round ones. So I just place that on the middle and it works fine. It really works fine. I'm happy with it, and I just hope it will last for me for a while longer than the last ones.